Today is probably one of the worst days in our renovation history.
So let me take you back to the beginning. The plan was a simple one. Fit new internal doors. Simple, right? Now, I knew the frames wouldn't be perfect, but I had confidence.
But we're not scared, we're just gonna...
Little did I know.
Today is probably one of the worst days in our renovation history.
So let me take you back to the beginning. The plan was a simple one. Fit new internal doors. Simple, right? Now, I knew the frames wouldn't be perfect, but I had confidence.
But we're not scared, we're just gonna...
Little did I know. So, after trimming the door down to fit the frame, many cuts and many shaves later, it was ready to fit. Long story short, it looked like absolute So this is how far out it was, and it looked 10 times worse from the landing side. So here's where it brings us to today. So if there's anyone out there thinking of fitting a door, if it's not level, then please don't even bother, just rip it out and start again.
Maybe not the worst day, to be fair, that was probably the bathroom, but been to Wickes this morning, got a new door frame, got 2 new door frames. Why it was such a bad day is because of all the dust it's created, it's pretty much gone everywhere inside of both rooms. These rooms are meant to be pretty much finished apart from the doors. So going from near enough finished to complete messes is just really ruined the weekend, to be honest. And for anyone that has a renovation out there, probably knows that time is the biggest enemy when you're doing your own renovation. Ooh.
Yeah.
These standard frames that we got, they don't actually fit the opening for our wall, so we've basically had to makeshift our own frame to fit what we've got. Ideal, but that also means we're going to have to adjust our door to fit. I've got these concrete screws, 80mm, and I've used these on over to the concrete and they're really good. So yeah, that's what I'm using.
Level? Tidy.
As you can see behind me, both frames are in now, and you can kind of see on this one how far it was out. The original door frame was in line with the ceilings, 20mm probably. Doesn't look that bad on camera, but when the door was fitted originally, when we left the old door frame on, it looked horrendous, and I wouldn't have changed it if I didn't have to. And it's just annoying how 2 door frames can just cause that much stress. We have to do a deep clean of the rooms as well because all the dust. But yeah. Look at those bags. Oh, God.